Welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a wonderful super delicious dessert or sweet to make mango suji halwa. This is a perfect dessert to make especially during the mango season in India, but because nowadays mango pulp can be easily obtained in cans as well, this recipe can be prepared anytime during the year. Although any kind of fully ripened and sweet mango is perfectly fine to use for this recipe, I would suggest using the Alfonso mango for the best taste. So let us start with the ingredients. Coarse or fine semolina 1.5 cups. Here I am using coarse semolina. Mango pulp 1.5 cup, fresh or canned. Sugar 1 1/4 cups, and clarified butter or ghee 6 tablespoons. I have measured and taken 2 cups of water in this pot, and to this I am adding the 1.5 cups of measured mango pulp. Let us stir to mix everything together, and now we are going to keep this for boiling. Keep the flame on low and make sure that you keep stirring in between. While this is coming to a boil, let us transfer the clarified butter or ghee to a pan, and to this I am adding all the semolina. We are going to nicely roast this semolina for some time till it starts turning slightly brown in color. When the semolina starts turning slightly brown, we are going to reduce the gas to low, and by this time our mango pulp and water mixture has also started boiling. So I am turning the heat off and adding this mixture to the semolina. Add slowly and carefully, and now stir it, mix it well so that no lumps of the semolina are left. Now everything has been mixed together. I am going to reduce the flame to low, cover it and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the sugar and again mix it nicely. Now we are going to cover it and cook it again, this time for 5 minutes, but with intermittent turning after every 2 to 3 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking in this way, our mango halwa is almost done. So let us turn off the heat, and this mango halwa is ready to serve. If you like, you can add few peeled almond slices on top for garnishing and serve this delicious mango halwa right away. Now, wasn't that a very easy and quick recipe? Do enjoy making this at home, and please do not hesitate to post any questions or comments. Thank you.